middle of the week, and I still didn't get to finish edit my vlog from yesterday, so I have to do that this morning. But I'm going to an exercise and revisit session right now, so I'm ready. Let's go. It's breakfast time. Breakfast. I'm finished. Just exercised. Woo! It was fun, and we did a revisit session. So now I'm heading to sis and baby boy. Uploaded on YouTube as well as Facebook. Go check it out. Go check it out. Help as well, guys. So I'm finished visiting with baby boy and sis, and now I'm going to drop a booklet for someone. I'm gonna sign it and do a little meet and greet sesh. Guys, I'm home, and you know I'm going to enjoy some nuts and chocolate madness with a piece of banana. Today I sold my first book, Quick and Easy, Simple, Quick and Easy. Basically has these things in it, and you can try out the recipes. Let me know what you think. It's pretty colorful, fun, and you can do it with your kids. Isn't it adorable? The whole aim is to help you with healthy meal prep ideas as well as exercise and portion control. There are little nutrition facts on top and serving sizes and stuff like that for each recipe. There's breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Just in getting one, message me, you get to meet me, and I'll sign it for you. I'm just gonna type up the advice session from this morning and email it before the night is over. Spent some time with sis and baby again. It was wonderful. So starting at the front and working your way in, you have all of the breakfast stuff first, and then you have the lunch recipes, and then you have dinner or snacks at the end. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well, guys. Sleep well. Sleep is very important.